Hey there, thanks for stopping by manlybands.com to have a look at some of our great products. One of them in particular we're going to be having a look at today is called the Buffalo. So let's jump right into our custom boxing apparatus setup that we have here. Box inside of a box. We want to make sure all of your stuff comes nice and protected. And also in there is this beautiful, elegant card welcoming you to the Manly Bands movement, telling you you're handsome, and providing you with some information for customer service along with our social media sites. Check out those pictures and content we have on there, and take a picture of the ring once it's on your finger, because it's going to look good and you're going to want to show it off. Inside, there we have it. It's beautiful. I really like the look of this ring. It is a black tungsten with a mahogany wood inlay. It's got a brushed finish on it, just a really awesome color combination. Buffalo, not to be confused with bison, two distinct animals, just as you will be distinct from anyone else not wearing a Manly Bands ring. So, keep that in mind. Also keep this in mind. A purchase comes with a black silicone ring, so if you're on top of a buffalo, wrangling one, doing whatever you do with buffalo, I'll leave your business to you. You might want to consider the silicone band because you don't want to lose this baby, okay? And also inside we have some promotional materials, one being for our sister site, Rosie Ray, for 20% off of our lady wranglers out there, and other promotions as they become available. So check out the Buffalo on manlybands.com.